Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Arjuna's Grief, Chapter 1, Shloka 44. We have heard, O Janardana, that it is inevitable for those men in whose families the religious practices have been destroyed to dwell in hell for an unknown period of time.
Chapter 1, Shloka 44. उत्सन्नकुलधर्माणां मनुष्याणां जनार्दन नरके नियतं वासो भवतीत्यनुशुश्रुम.
So far we saw Arjuna was blabbering and he was trying to convince Krishna, and he was coming up with one argument after the other. But Krishna remained silent. Now, in this shloka number 44, we see that Arjuna has nothing more to say, but he cannot stop talking. And he declares in the shloka that, yes, we have seen in our traditions, we have heard that those people who don't follow the family traditions, they go to hell for a very long time. So even after admission, there's no response from Krishna. Maybe it is the grace of Krishna that he has completed and emptied himself. Now we have to see, when we hear or listen to this, then it stings us also. It gives us a chance to look within our own families, whether we are following the family dharma, the family traditions. Because if we are not, then there is an urgency to start doing it. Otherwise, we are doomed to go to hell, which is not a very pleasant thing. A family is a unit of the community. If the family is destroyed, then the effect is there in the community as well. All the people in the generation who are responsible for the shattering of the dharma, they are also sorrowful and they suffer. So we have to be very clear what Gita wants to show us. In the next video, we will see if Arjuna has got anything more to say.
See this
Free
video
book
clipping
and
again
e-book
and again till you can
of the
answer
Holy
the
Gita
following questions.
commentary by Swami Chinmayananda available.
To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online.